What is going on, lads? Welcome back for a new video at Days Futures Trading. And today, as I said, I am posting this video right here about Apex Trader funding and why this is the number one prop firm that I would go to for a beginner and in terms of pricing. Now, as you know, prop firms are in fact companies that are funding you to pass a test. Now, in that test, you have some rules to follow. And in those rules, you have to prove that you're a consistent trader. After that, you can have a funded account from them, which technically you can pull as much money as you want from them. Now, let's see the benefits and the things you should watch out for, and why you should choose Apex as your first funding firm. And as you know, you just go to Apex Trader Funding, you make an account with them or you sign up, right? And as you can see, the average monthly compensation to customers in January 2023, there's 50 million, 345 million total compensation to customers since 2022, and last 90 days, 75 million. Now, when you go, I will just get into it. So the benefits of Apex Trader Funding offers. So minimum trading days, qualify with as little as 7 trading days. A trading day comes at 6 p.m. one day to 5 p.m. the next day. Half day trading holidays count towards the next day. Trailing threshold. With our live trading threshold, you never have to worry about daily drawdown. You can monitor this live in the RTrader software we provide you. Trade any day, 24 hours a day. Maximum position size, feel free to trade up to the max position size. Our system caps your positions, so you will never be stopped out for trading more contracts in evaluation or funded accounts. Trading during news, and one simple step. Hit your profit target before you hit your max drawdown with 7 days of trading and you qualify. Now, if you go on the website, you will have PA accounts versus eval accounts. Now, the eval accounts are the evaluation accounts which you purchase and you pass the test, and then they pass you into a performance account, which that account means you can pull money from. You will be able to cash out. So here we are at the pricing and the various account sizes. So select your Rhythmic plan. Rhythmic is a futures broker, but I don't use Rhythmic. I do not know about Rhythmic too much. I know how to set it up, but I don't use it because I just don't use it. Okay, it's not my personal preference to use Rhythmic Trader, but if you want to use Rhythmic Trader, do your own research on that. Now, I use the trade of him plan, which, by the way, will bring me to the next point, which would be the broker. Now, as you can see, you have the full accounts, right? So this is how it works. This is currently my account. This is what I have. A 50K full. Starting capital is $50,000. The amount of contracts, standard mini contracts you can trade is 10 contracts at one time. The profit goal is $3,000. So you will need to make $3,000 and you will pass into the PA accounts or performance accounts from which you can be able to withdraw money. The trailing threshold is to $2,500. Now this is the buying power. $50,000 is the buying power. Is not your actual account. Your actual amount of money that you have to play with is $2,500. So it's as if you loaded your account with $2,500 and you have to avoid busting it. Scaling, none. Daily drawdown is none. Trading view compatible, yes. TradeAway compatible, yes. Browser compatible, yes. Now, you can see the price. It's $167 per month to pass the evaluation. Now, I will leave a link down below in the description, and with a coupon code from which you get the best deals always. Use the link in the description to sign up with them and the coupon code that I will provide to get the best deals always, and you will get 80% off. And you can always move if you want to trade more, or you want to trade more size because you have that degen in you. Well, obviously you can go as little as, obviously you can go 25k full, which is $147 per month, but with, again, the link and the coupon code down in the description, you will get 80% off. Now, 70k full, you can get a 75k full. The profit goal is 4,250. The trading threshold is 2,750. Now, if you want higher buying power, as you can see, the amount of contracts, profit goal, the bigger the account, the bigger the profit goal. So for 100k you make 6k, for 150k you get 9k. 250 you need 15k, and for 300k you need 20k. Now the benefits is you get a larger account. If you buy a larger account, then you get a way larger account size overall. But that is if you're a more aggressive trader, I would say, which I personally am. But I use a 50k full just because it's very easy to pass. The $3,000 mark is very easy to pass. I didn't choose a 25k because it's too small. But a 50k is way easier to pass. It just has the perfect balance, right? So this is what I chose. Now, after you log in, you will see currently my membership information, which is, as you can see, TradeAway 50k full size, and basically instead of 167 I paid $33 for the first month, and then I will keep paying $33 for each month after. So this is already $33, which I think it's a very good deal. Again, use the link in the description and the coupon code and you will get 80% off. Now, as you can see here, the dashboard, customer profile, payout method, etc, etc, etc. As you can see, this is my TradeAway account. I will have to blur this, but this is my TradeAway account. Once you choose, you go to accounts, right? And you select, after you sign up, of course, you make an account with them. You then select your plan, what you want to choose. After you pay, choose either TradeAway or Rhythmic. I went to TradeAway and I'll explain why in a second. Now, if you have more questions, go to the FAQ, go to the products, go to About, Home, Tools, Help Desk, Testimonials, etc, etc, etc. You know it. Now, let's see. Let me see something. So the eval charts, right? This is my 50k account. So I'm still passing. So the 50k account you saw me trade for the last 3 days is a 50k eval account. It's not a performance account. It's not a funded account. It's not an account from which I take money. It's an account from which I pass. So again, look at this. We got a target, right? This is the target, and we need to make $3,000. And until now, we made 283, but we lost today earlier $24, so it will be a little bit less. But we're doing great. We're on day 2, and we need to make $3,000. After which I will be passed. Now, there is a fee when it comes to the PA account or the funded account, which is the evaluation resets. Now, if you fail an evaluation reset, you will now have to reimburse their money because this is a simulated environment. But if you want to reset your account, it's $80 reset, no limit, right? There's no limit. You will have to pay, and that's why I suggest that you trade carefully, because after $80 and then $80 and then $80, it stacks up, you know, and it becomes quite expensive at sometimes. Now, the paid or the funded account fee is $85 per account per month, and you are allowed to have up to 20 funded accounts. Now, one very great benefit about Apex is that they allow you to trade simultaneously about 20 accounts of these. So you can have 20 of these, and if they're all funded, and let's say you made $283 in one, you would make simultaneously, you would make in the same time 283 in the rest of them. Now, you obviously would need to set up a trade copier, which I will show in a minute. And until now, we are doing absolutely great. We're on track, we're well on track, we're still in profit, we're still rocking. And let's go. Let's see how this happens. Let's see after a month where we will be. I will post every day. Tune in every day, market open trading on the Nasdaq. Let's go. Now, the reason why I would recommend Apex is because the prices, especially per month, the prices for a single, let's say, membership for a single like eval account, it is cheap. 33 bucks per month. That's not much. So in terms of pricing, in terms of rules, I think Apex has the best place to go as a beginner and both as an advanced trader. So why choose our funding platform? You receive 100% of the first 25,000 per account and 90% beyond that. 2 payouts per month, trade full-size contracts in evaluation or funded accounts. No scaling or failing by going over contract size, no daily drawdowns, trade on holidays, trade your normal day-to-day strategy or system during news. No total cap on maximum payout. See, this is one of the benefits. No total cap on maximum payout. One-step evaluation process, real-time data included. When you sign up, you get real-time data. Yes. Simple risk management rules, trade with multiple accounts, up to 20 accounts max, which can be extremely beneficial, and that's how you make your money. You have 20 of these, you pass them, and then you start making your money. And you can get quite financially stable from doing so. Now, I'll post the link down below. GG's to Apex. They are at the top of everyone. They pay the most and they are ahead of the game. Now, let's go to my broker. My trading broker, which is Tradeovate. Just go to Tradeovate Trader, and as you can see, Tradeovate is model futures trading platforms and futures broker. You can also make your own account of login, but as soon as you sign up for HYPOTHETICAL Trader funding, you will not need your own account because they give you the credentials to log in, as you saw earlier. So I went to my login, and basically you got your Apex account username, and there's your password that you use. This is solely for yourself, right? As soon as you sign up, this is your Tradeovate account. So if you sign up for multiple accounts with Tradeovate, if you sign up for, let's say, 350Ks and all of them are Tradeovate subscriptions, they will give you one time your Apex Tradeovate account, your own, right? And in there you will find all your evaluations. Now, why use Tradeovate? Well, let's see. As you can see right here, my Apex account currently, it's a demo and is active. We made $258.74 in it, and as you can see, we're rocking and rolling. And the reason why I chose this is extremely simple to use. It is extremely simple to find. If you want to customize your charts, you just click here. If you want the time frame, the time period, there you go, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, there you go. This is my account with Apex, $50,000, and as you can see, my trailing max drawdown is 2,400 because I lost a little bit today, and the weekly profit trigger is 2,259. So we're green. So daily loss limit is 24 bucks, which is absolutely, I'm very proud that we kept this account with low risk. We lost, but we lost barely 1% of 2,500 that is given to us in the eval account. So your job is not to keep you don't have $50,000 to play with. That's just the buying power. You only have $2,500. So make sure you manage that account of $2,500 by responsibly trading. And as you can see, you can add multiple charts. Let's say you want to add a new chart. You can go to new tab and you write your symbol. So the NASDAQ E-mini, and we have the December contracts, I think. These are the December contracts, which, by the way, your contracts expire, so keep it up to date. Make sure you go check that out, because it's very important, because these contracts expire. So we have, as you can see, if you add the NASDAQ, we're at the Z4 contract. So as you can see, Z4 is December 2024, 2025, and then 2026. That's what the numbers mean at the end. So January contract, May contract, etc. So keep that in mind, make your own research, and come back with more knowledge to this, right? Do your own research, and if you're ready to make money, join the futures market and tune in with me on YouTube. So why am I choosing TradeOvate? It's because it's so simple to use. So it's nothing messed up. It is nothing like insanely hard to like comprehend. So as you can see, if you want to add a module, you drag and drop to place on the dashboard, market analyzer, chart, super DOM, order ticket, trade performance, spread matrix, all of those. So make an account. I believe that if you make your very own TradeOvate account, you get 14 days free trial to test out the futures market and go around, experiment what you like. And this is my personal setup. As you can see, I have the hourly chart on this side. I have the 3-minute chart here, 10-minute, and obviously we have the daily chart over here. I just switch to them quite often to see where we are at in terms of trades. But this is my platform where I execute my trades, right? And since I talked about on a video, I posted a video where I talked about the futures market and I explained the futures market in depth and how it works and what futures contracts are. If you want to go for a standard mini contract on the NASDAQ, just type in NQ Z4, that's it. And then you should see 1. And as soon as you buy it, like we spoke about, you will either make or lose $20. That's the mini contract. If you want to go to the NASDAQ micro contract, simply add MNQ, right? M for micro. MNQ, that's what it has to say. If it's NQ, it's a standard mini contract and it's leveraged 20 times. But the micro contract, we already spoke about this, it's 1/10 of a single contract. So 10 of these boys equal 1 mini, right? I'll just keep them to 3. So yes, it is very simple, very practical, very easy to use, and it has good data and it's really not complicated. That's why I use it. Now let's go, I'll just log off. Let's go to TradingView, which is my charting platform. Now if you want for TradingView subscriptions, just go to, let me see. I'm on an essential plan. I just bought the essential plan. Just go on their website, tradingview.com, subscriptions, and there you will see per month how much you have to pay. I personally pay for the live data on the NASDAQ and the essential plan, which allows me to have double charts. I pay around $24 to $26 a month. And along with my Apex subscription, I pay around $50 to maybe $60, $60 to $65 a month to potentially make thousands. So I think it's a great investment. You only pay like, literally, come on, $60 to make thousands. It's a great reward. It's a great way to learn your way without having to risk thousands of your own money. So there you go, in depth, and there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for FOMC trading session, and let's get it. Let's see what the Feds are planning, and let's get a taste of tomorrow's action. Peace to the Middle East.